Hello friends, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Are you ready for this new video? Let's start. Today I present you the fourth part of this topic concerning the model exhibition The Space Between Science and Sci-Fi. Today I'm going to show you some of the other subjects that were present inside the Thales Alenia Space Warehouse during my visit. Thanks to this video, I'm going to show you the pictures related to the CRV and the Space Lab. Have a good vision! The Crew Return Vehicle CRV was a proposed dedicated lifeboat for the International Space Station. The CRV design concept incorporated three main elements: the lifebody re-entry vehicle, the International Berthing Docking Module, and the deorbit propulsion stage. The vehicle was to be designed to accommodate up to 7 crew members without pressurized suite. Because of the needs to be able to operate with incapacitated crew members, fly and landing operations were to be performed autonomously. The CRV design had not space maneuvering propulsion system. NASA had planned to build of 4 CRV vehicles and 2 berthing docking modules. The CRVs and berthing docking modules were to be delivered to the ISS by the Space Shuttle, and each would remain docked for 3 years. The CRV was to have 2 specific missions: medical return and crew return in case of the ISS problems. In an emergency, the CRV could separate from the ISS in as little as 3 minutes. Spacelab module was a reusable pressurized laboratory developed by ESA and used on the Space Shuttle missions. Spacelab was one of the Europeans' main contributions to the Space Shuttle program. The Spacelab module was a cylindrical main laboratory configurable as a short or long module flown in the Space Shuttle cargo bay, connected to the crew compartment by a tunnel. The laboratory had an outer diameter of 4.12 meters and each segment a length of 2.7 meters. Most of the time, 2 segments were used in forming the long module configuration. A pressurized tunnel connected the Space Shuttle orbiter to Spacelab module, with a connection point at mid-deck. The large configuration of the module consisted of the core module and experiment module. It was also possible to operate Spacelab experiments from the shuttle orbiter aft flight deck. 2 habitable modules were built, named LM1 and LM2. So guys, also this time we have finished. See you soon next time. Bye!